So, my dear ones, you are most welcome to this class. Again, we are here having a topic on speaking, and today I have to speak upon purity. What do you think about purity? So, I think you are ready, and because you have listened about it, and yes, I have got the names. Very good, good, very good. First of all, I have got the name of Gaurav, then Rakshit, Rohit, Harsh, Sushil, Harshit, Priya, Lakshmi, Kabir, and remaining members of this group must also put their name in the mailbox. So I think we should start our class. Yes, today I'm starting with Gaurav. Gaurav, एक तो एक जगह बिल्कुल बैठ करके अपनी बोलना है ना? बहुत ज्यादा हिलता बहुत ज्यादा है तू। हाँ, कर दो। बहुत ज्यादा हिलता बहुत ज्यादा है तू, एक तो है ना? थोड़ा कंट्रोल कर अपने आप को। हाँ, बोल।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. Gaurav here and not an affiliate new topic, but on a topic that is purity.
हाँ,
Well, purity is the means we are good from from our mind, from our body. We are pure. So pure of health is physical health, means good and stable physical health, and the purity of speech is our politeness in our words, politeness in our words, and how politely we can speak, and the purity of mind is our thoughts or thinking, that how pure are we from our mind, our thinking perspective. And the purity of actions is the right actions and the service and the helpfulness, and how helpful are we to others. And the and a perfect example of purity we can take from the Mahabharata time. The Pandavas and Kauravas were Drona's
disciples.
disciples, or or his students. So Yudhishthir, so the priest of Drona summoned them, and Yudhishthir asked to
Yudhishthir was asked.
to fetch a good person.
Fetch नहीं, fetch. Fetch नहीं बेटा, fetch. हाँ.
Fetch a good person from the society of Hastinapur, or the city of Hastinapur. So and the Duryodhan was also asked, but to bring a bad person from the society of Hastinapur. Sir, is my speaking bad?
थोड़ा सुना करो बेटा पहले। आपको नेक्स्ट टाइम पे क्या आदत डालनी है, पहले 2-3 लोगों को सुनना है कम से कम आपको, है ना? उसके बाद आपको बोलना है अच्छे से। ठीक है बेटा? हाँ, चलिए कोई बात नहीं, बहुत अच्छा बोला। हो गया पूरा? ओके, सुनो आप ध्यान से, सुना करो बेटा पहले 1-2 लोगों को, फिर बोला करो आप, है ना? चलो कोई बात नहीं। यस, कम ऑन रक्षित।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I am telling on the topic that is purity.
हम्म
As we all know that what is purity? There are different types of purity with respect to different things. Like purity of environment is a whole peace and greenery, and purity of mind is righteous knowledge, and purity of body is physical health, and purity of heart is the unselfish love, and purity of society is harmonious unity. Purity
शाबाश
of action is unselfish service and sincerity,
वेरी गुड
and like this there are different types of purity in different things,
हम्म
and purity is a very important aspect of life, because purity tells us the trueness the trueness in the thing, and pure, at that place we find the purity there, we find there the truth, and purity is mm, purity is very important to keep in our life, and as we know that evil has no place in the presence of purity,
हम्म
and there is a story related to purity in behavior, that is a short story taken from Mahabharat,
हम्म
and the story is that when Pandavas and Kauravas were the students of Acharya Drona, and learned and obtained the uh, education of archery
हम्म
from Acharya Drona. So one day Acharya Drona thought of an experiment and asked the eldest brother of Pandavas,
हम्म
who was Yudhishthir, and also the eldest brother of
शाबाश
Kaurav, who was Duryodhan,
वेरी गुड
and Acharya Drona asked Yudhishthir to bring a person from the society of Hastinapur who is bad,
हम्म
and asked Duryodhan to bring a person from the society of Hastinapur who is good.
बहुत बढ़िया
But
शाबाश बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हैं वेरी गुड हाँ
Acharya Drona got surprised when both brought no one with them.
हम्म
They both returned alone, because we know that there is a saying that as is the vision, so is the mind.
बहुत बढ़िया
As is the mind, so is the vision.
वेरी गुड
And and like this, Yudhishthir found everyone in the society good, because his vision was good, and Duryodhan found everyone in the society bad because his vision was bad. So from this thing we conclude that if our if our nature is good, our vision will also be good, and if our nature is bad, our vision also will also be bad. And sir, that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया बोला शाबाश बेटा वेरी गुड बहुत अच्छी सेंटेंस फ्रेमिंग हो रही है बेटा वेरी गुड यस नाउ रोहित
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit and today I'm going to tell you about purity. As you all know, that purity is a thing that helps us to live in this world. Purity means that something is without any impurity.
वेरी गुड
Like in normal language, we say that we say like our mothers say that the ghee is pure, means the ghee does
शाबाश
not have any impurity.
हम्म
So this is a scientific meaning, and when we move to its moral meaning, then we conclude that purity means something that has loyalty and these types of feelings. And when we purity gives us peace in our life, because when something is pure, there are not conflicts, and when there are not conflicts, we
शाबाश
feel peace, and so purity leads to peace, and peace is very important in our life.
वेरी गुड
Purity also leads to happiness, because when something is pure means we are loyal to something. Like Virat Kohli is loyal to RCB, so this means that they both have love. And when anybody have love towards
हैज
something,
आएगा
then
ना, हैव क्यों आएगा?
yes, sir. When anybody has love towards someone, then it's purity. And when we are pure, everyone loves us. And so like we can take the example of Mahabharat. In Mahabharat, when Yudhishthir was asked to take was asked to call a one impure person, then he came alone because as he was pure, so he thought that
शाबाश.
everyone was also pure.
हम्म.
So no one was there with the Yudhishthir.
हम्म.
And when it was asked to Yudhishthir, it was asked to Duryodhan. So then Duryodhan, when it was asked to Duryodhan that you should take you should take an pure person. So when he came back, there was no one with him because he seeks.
शॉर्ट.
Yes, sir. Yes,
शॉर्ट.
sir.
शॉर्ट सी की सेकंड फॉर्म शॉर्ट.
Yes, sir. He sought everyone as impure, so there was no one with him. So from this we conclude that purity also defines our way of life. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड यार, शाबाश. हर्ष, फोकस करके बोलो, सब आएगा. हाँ.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harshara. Today, my topic is purity. As we know, purity simply means happiness and peace, because if, because the word purity refers to the state of being calm and not hurting anyone.
सुना करो ध्यान से इन लोगों को, तो विशेष रूप से सुना करो. ये 3-3 साल जिनको हो गए, सुनोगे जितना उतना फायदा होगा आप लोगों को. बोलो बेटा.
Not hurting anyone, and do not making any conflict with others. If we are pure, then everyone would be pure to us, and if we are impure, then we will see everyone as a bad person, because it is our vision and it is our mind.
हम्म.
And it is our vision and it is our mind. And like purity is of many types. Purity of love that our parents shows to us. They love us without any reason.
हम्म.
They just want
हम्म.
they just want us to be happy.
हम्म.
And the purity of loyalty. The purity of loyalty means if we are loyal to anything, if we are not living at at if we are not leaving him or her at middle.
हम्म.
So they in this purity are of many types. And to show the actual example of purity, I will tell you a story of Mahabharata. In this when the Pandavas and Kauravas were taking the training of archery under the teacher Dronacharya.
हम्म.
Uh, then the Mr. Drona called the eldest of Pandav Yudhishthir and eldest of Kaurav Duryodhan,
हम्म.
and they both and the Yudhishthir was asked to call a bad person in the society Hastinapur, and on the other hand, Duryodhan was asked to call a pure person in the same society of Hastinapur.
हम्म.
But when it was a time to call the persons, they both came empty-handed.
हम्म.
It was because Yudhishthir was very pure and his state of mind was very good that he सर आपने सीख के सेकंड फॉर्म क्या बताया था?
शॉर्ट.
He sought all the persons as like him, means pure, and on the other hand, Duryodhana also came empty-handed because
बहुत बढ़िया.
because all the 100 Kauravas were the state of mind of all the Kauravas were impure, so they all sought so he sought the whole society of Hastinapur as bad because his state of mind was bad. So in this way we can see that purity means as we are सुनो लाइन क्या थी as we as the as is our state of mind as is our vision. That's it, sir.
बिल्कुल ठीक है,
That's it.
बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड, शाबाश। यस ना, सुना करो इन लोगों को। मैं आपसे जो बार बार कहता हूँ ना, इसीलिए कहता हूँ, मैं खुद सुनता हूँ ध्यान से। अब अपना मत सोचा करो, सुनने के टाइम पे सुना करो, फॉलो करो जो मैं कह रहा हूँ। यस, कम ऑन सुशील।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Sushil, and I am student of the Ramban online interactive classes from 16. And today I am here with a new topic whose name is purity. So, first of all, I want to tell you the meaning of purity. Purity means to be pure in a thing. The thing can be anything like food, work, heart, and food, etc. And purity is very important for us because it gives us benefits in our life.
शाबाश,
Like
वेरी गुड, बोलो।
the yes, sir. The purity of speech is the truth, and it is also effective words for human being. And the purity of society is harmonious unity. And the purity of action is sincere and good work. And the purity of work is the purity of heart is unselfish love as our parents do with us. So to illustrate the nature
बहुत
of
बढ़िया, वेरी गुड,
purity,
शाबाश। हाँ, बहुत
purity,
बढ़िया।
I am telling you a story of Hastinapur. The Kauravs and the Pandavas were the disciples of Guru Dronacharya, and once Guru Dronacharya invited them for a test, and in the test, the eldest of Pandav, Yudhishthir, was asked to fetch a bad person from the society, and the second side, the eldest of Kaurav, Duryodhan, was asked to bring a good person from the same society.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड।
After yes, sir. After a long period, they returned empty-handed
हाँ, शाबाश।
because Yudhishthir was mind of pure, and he found everyone to be pious and pure.
बहुत बढ़िया।
And Duryodhan was impure mind, so he found everyone to evil and
तू क्यों लगा रहा है?
impure.
हाँ, एवरीवन, तू की जरूरत नहीं थी, आगे बोलो।
So they returned empty-handed. So the message of this paragraph is that we should be honest and pure towards our work. So that's it.
पैराग्राफ तब बोलते हैं जब लिख रहे हो अपन,
Yes, sir.
है ना?
Description.
हाँ, डिस्क्रिप्शन कर दो आप, यहाँ पर
Okay, sir.
अपना स्पीच कर दो, कुछ भी कर दो। पैराग्राफ तब बोलेंगे जब अपन लिख रहे होंगे।
Okay, sir.
ओके, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो, वेरी गुड, कीप इट अप, शाबाश। इसके बाद मैं बुला रहा हूँ हर्षित, कम ऑन।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Harshit Mora, and today's my topic is purity. Purity is very important for us, and there are many types of purity. Like purity of body is physical health, and the purity of heart is unselfish love, and the purity of mind is a good knowledge, and the purity of speech is truth, and there are many more like these, and every person who is pure sorry sir, every man who is pure, it seems to him that everything is pure, and a man who is bad and impure sees everything impure and bad, And like we can take the example of Mahabharat, where Dronacharya called his disciples uh, uh, Pandavas and Kauravas, and called the eldest one of Kauravas and Pandavas, who were Yudhishthir and Duryodhan, and asked them to bring a good person and bad person from Hastinapur. Uh, Yudhishthir was given the work to bring a bad person from Hastinapur, and given uh, uh, Dronacharya was asked to bring a good person from Hastinapur, and they both went to Hastinapur, and they both came empty-handed because
हम्म
uh,
शाबाश शाबाश
Yudhishthir, Yudhishthir saw everything bad because he was impure, and Dronacharya, oh, sorry sir, Duryodhan saw everything pure and good because his mind and his soul was pure. So this tells us that the purity of mind is very necessary for us, and it is also said that the purity of mind makes the purity of vision. As our vision is as our mind is our vision is such, like our mind, which is controlled by our mind. That's it, sir.
ओके वेरी गुड बहुत बढ़िया बस ऐसी कोशिश करते रहो यस कम ऑन प्रिया
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Priya Meena. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes. Today's our topic is upon purity. As we all know very well that purity is very important in every person's life, and purity can change a bad soul into a good soul. And purity has the power to change our vision also.
वेरी गुड
And a pure man always finds his surrounding pure and pious, uh, and a pure man has a pure mind and pure heart, uh, because his nature, and it reflect in his nature and behavior also.
हाँ
If we are impure from inner side, and it reflects in our karma. And a pure man always stay positive, and a impure man always stay negative.
हाँ
So now I am telling about the great example of purity. As we all know very well that we have a lot of books of a lot of holy books like Ramayana, Mahabharata, and now I'm telling the interesting episode of Mahabharata.
हाँ
So once Dronacharya was the guru of Pandav and Kauravas. Uh, one day he summoned Pandavas and Kauravas together. The Pandavas and Kauravas were the cousins. Uh, the Dronacharya asked the Yudhishthir to called to
टू
bring
ब्रिंग हाँ
to bring a good man from the Hastinapur.
हम्म
Yudhishthir was the pure and pure-hearted person.
हम्म
And after Dronacharya said to the Duryodhan to bring a good man from the same society. Duryodhan was the eldest brother of the Kauravas.
हम्म
They went, and after a while they both cousins come empty-handed. Mm, uh, Dronacharya asked them about it. So Yudhishthir said to him that there was no bad person in the society, because he found
फाउंड
everyone
हम्म
he found everyone pure and pious,
हम्म
because he was pure and pious from his inner soul. So he
हम्म
sees everyone pure and pious.
हम्म
After he asked Duryodhan of asked the reason of it. So Duryodhan said that he found everyone impure and evil, because he said that there was no good man in the society, uh, because the Yudhishthir was impure and evil-hearted from his inner soul. So he sees his surroundings as he was.
हम्म
So it was only their vision to see the surroundings. That's it, sir.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड। ऐसी कोशिश करते रहो बस। यस, कम ऑन लक्ष्मी।
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujar. Today our topic is about purity. Purity is very important in our life. Purity remain in our soil.
सॉल
Not-
सॉइल नहीं, सॉल।
soul. Nothing is pure, but nothing is pure, and we are all an amalgamation of many things, and purity is a very important. Purity should be remained in our society, and
हम्म
we
शाबाश
can
शाबाश,
take
हाँ बहुत
we
बढ़िया।
can take examples
हम्म
in Mahabharat,
हम्म
when when the when the Duryodhan when the Duryodhan asked
वाज आस्क्ड, पैसिव वॉइस बनेगा।
was asked to faith a good person and a bad person to the Kauravas and Pandavas. So the Kauravas and Pandavas went to the Hastinapur society, and they they searched a good person and bad person, but they returned with empty hand. Be-
विद की
And
जरूरत नहीं है, एम्प्टी हैंडेड। आगे बोलो।
yes, and the Duryodhan asked to the Kauravas that can can you can you search could you search the person, but the Kauravas said that there were no bad person in the society, because his inner soil has pure, and he was pure. And the Duryodhan said to the Pandavas, could you search a good person? But he answered that there were no good person in the society, because his inner heart has all bad person, and purity should be remain our heart, and purity is very important, because it bring positivity, peace, and balance our lifestyle. And purity is a lifestyle, and purity motivates us to make our society good.
हम्म
That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया। डाटा इधर उधर कर दिया तुमने। द्रोणाचार्य की जगह दुर्योधन कर दिया, दुर्योधन की जगह पांडव कर दिया, पांडव की जगह कुछ कर दिया। कोई बात नहीं है,
इसको कंफ्यूजन हो रहा था सर,
कंफ्यूजन
इसलिए।
नहीं होना चाहिए ना बेटा। कंफ्यूजन क्यों होना चाहिए? कोई बात नहीं,
सर
सुनना
उसके
आपने रिकॉर्डिंग।
सर नाम में वो हो गया मेरे से।
द्रोणाचार्य ने युधिष्ठिर को भी कहा था और दुर्योधन को भी कहा था। तुमने गड़बड़ कर दिया। सुनना आपने रिकॉर्डिंग को जरा थोड़ा सा, है ना। एक बार सुनना बेटा, कोई बात नहीं, अगली बार अच्छा करना। वैसे बोलना बहुत अच्छा था, बट डेटा इधर उधर कर दिया तुमने। कोई बात नहीं है। कबीर।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Kabir. I'm the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from Veg BET. Today's my topic is purity. As we all know that purity is very important for all of us. There are many of purity, purity of mind, purity of human, and purity of words.
हेलो।
Uh,
हाँ भाई, तबीयत यार ऐसी है, जुकाम वुकाम से हो जाता है बस रात को।
Hello, sir.
नहीं, अरे एक मिनट रुको कबीर। कबीर स्टॉप।
हाँ.
Hello everyone, my name is Kavir. I am the student of Rambad Online Interactive Classes from HB18.
हाँ
Today's my topic is purity. As we all know that if we want to achieve anything, we need purity.
शाबाश.
Purity is not an act; it is an habit. There are many types of purity, like purity of people, purity of mind, purity of words.
हम्म,
If these things make people a big businessman or a politician.
शाबाश शाबाश शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया. ऐसे धीरे धीरे बोला कर, तसल्ली से, आराम से, हड़बड़ाए मत कर, बोल. हर चीज का ध्यान रख
If
के
we
बोला
have
कर.
if we have these things, we can achieve everything in our life.
हाँ शाबाश.
Purity is very important for all of us because purity makes us a good person and a good man.
ठीक है, बोलता जा.
We can take an example of Mahabharat. There are two caste. There was two caste, Kauravas and Pandavas.
हम्म,
Both were the disciples of Dronacharya.
शाबाश शाबाश.
One day, Dronacharya gave them a task.
शाबाश शाबाश, वेरी गुड वेरी गुड.
He said to Yudhishthir that you
दैट यू नीड
found
टू ब्रिंग, बस इतना लगा दो. ही आस्क्ड युधिष्ठिर टू ब्रिंग. आगे बोलो.
asked Yudhishthir to bring a good person in the Hastinapur.
बैड पर्सन, युधिष्ठिर से बैड पर्सन लाने के लिए बोला उसने.
हाँ, bad person in the Hastinapur.
फ्रॉम हस्तिनापुर.
From the Hastinapur.
हाँ, आगे बोलो.
On the other hand, he said to
आस्क्ड.
he asked to सर वो कौन था वो?
दुर्योधन.
कौरव.
दुर्योधन.
हाँ, दुर्योधन. That
टू ब्रिंग वैसे बनाओ जैसे बताया था अभी.
अच्छा, to bring a good man in the same society.
फ्रॉम द सोसाइटी.
From the society.
फोकस किया करो, जो करेक्शन करवाया करो उसको. हाँ.
Okay, sir. They could not find.
हाँ.
They could not find good and bad person.
हाँ.
Sister could not find because he is a good person and his vision of watching everything is good.
was
Was good.
हम्म,
On the other hand, क्या था वो? Duryodhan was a bad person, so he shout all the people bad.
हम्म,
So the purity makes our vision. So the purity changes our vision and our mind.
हम्म.
In last, I want to say that purity is not an act; it is an habit. Yes, sir, that's it.
वेरी गुड. ठीक है, आज बहुत अच्छा बोलने की कोशिश की तूने. ऐसे ही बोला कर, थोड़ा फोकस करके.
Okay, sir.
गलती होना कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, लेकिन उनको ध्यान तो करो, पता ही नहीं चले अपने को अपन बोल क्या रहे हैं. ऐसे नहीं बेटा, है ना. कोशिश क्या करो अच्छे से. यस, कम ऑन काजल.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Kajal Meena. Today my topic is purity. Purity is very necessary for our mind because purity makes our vision deeds, and words pure. There are many types of purity, like purity of body is physical health, purity of heart is unselfish love, and purity of speech is absolute truth,
शाबाश
and
शाबाश, very good.
of thought, righteous reason, and purity of society is harmonious unity,
Very good.
and purity of environment is uh, soul elevating serenity, or of action is sincere service, and purity of mind is wholesome peace,
शाबाश, very good. अरे बहुत बढ़िया.
and we can take a example of Mahabharata time of purity, and Kauravas and Pandavas were disciples. Dronas, they both were summoned by visitor of Drona for a test. The eldest of Pandavas, Yudhishthir, was asked to bring a bad person from the society of Hastinapur.
शाबाश बेटा, very good.
Then Kauravas, the eldest of Kauravas, was asked to fetch a good person from the same society of Hastinapur.
शाबाश.
After a thorough search, they returned empty-handed, because pure mind of Yudhishthir found everyone to be pious and pure.
बहुत बढ़िया, very good. शाबाश बेटा, very good. हाँ.
And the impure mind of Duryodhana found everyone to be impure and bad. It means as your mind, so is the vision.
बहुत बढ़िया. बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड. मजा आ गया. अब तो छोटी तेरे को बोलना आया, पार्टी वार्टी दे दे अब तो तू. वो तो बढ़िया करने लग गई तू. रटा थोड़ी था, रट के थोड़ी आई थी.
नो सर.
अरे रट के तो नहीं आ गई थी ना. सच्ची बता.
बुक था, बस आपने बोला था ना सुन लेना एक दो बार, तो उसी दिन सुना था.
बस अब बता, बढ़िया कर रही है. अब सुन लेना तेरी रिकॉर्डिंग, और किसी को सुना लेना भी. तेरे को मेरे ऊपर भरोसा नहीं हो तो और तो क्या कर सकते हैं.
ओके सर.
फोकस करने से सारी चीजें होती है. कुछ भी नहीं है, फोकस करो, कुछ भी नहीं है ऐसा. यस, रश्मि आ जाओ बेटा.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Rashmi Meena. My topic is purity. We need purity in everything like environment, nature, love, etc. If any person is pure-hearted, so definitely her will see all the peoples with good vision. And
आराम, धीरे धीरे बोलना बेटा, तसल्ली से. हाँ, हड़बड़ाहट बिल्कुल नहीं, तसल्ली से बिल्कुल आराम से मस्तों के सांस ले लेके बोल. हाँ.
And if any person is impure-hearted, so definitely her will see all the peoples with bad vision. A pure person have always positivity, and a impure person always think negative. Purity of our heart and mind is very important in our life. If purity is the best path to reach happiness.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया, very good बेटा.
If our mind is pure, so we can take a good decision and achieve success.
बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ.
If we want to maintain our relationship, so we need completely purity of heart. We always love any person with unselfishness. Now we take an example of Mahabharata. This is the best example of purity. Mahabharata, there are two dynasties in
Hastipur, the Pandavas or Kauravas. The eldest brother of Pandavas, Yudhishthir, and the eldest brother of Kauravas is Duryodhan. Both of them get education from Dronacharya.
Got.
One day Dronacharya called Yudhishthir, fetch one bad person from the society. And Dronacharya was asked to fetch one good person from same society. After a long time, both came back. Both came back empty-handed. Pure mind Yudhishthir said there was no bad person. The impure mind Duryodhan said everyone is impure.
Sad नहीं बेटा, sad होता है.
Sad.
आगे बोलो.
So purity developed good thinking and vision. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया यार, वेरी गुड बेटा. हड़बड़ाना बिल्कुल अब लगभग खत्म सा है तेरा, है ना. हड़बड़ाना नीचे बेटा, कभी भी कॉन्फिडेंस रखना चाहिए बस अपने को. कॉन्फिडेंस रखोगे तो सारी चीजें हो जाती हैं बेटा, है ना. हाँ, वेरी गुड, शाबाश. यस, खुशी गुजर.
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
Hello everyone. My name is Kushi Gujar. My topic is purity. The purity word is very unique in itself.
शाबाश, वेरी गुड.
Purity is very necessary in everything. Food, heart, nature, environment, love, etc.
बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश, वेरी गुड.
If we in full purity, that work become beneficial and very well done.
बहुत बढ़िया.
And the example of purity, a story of example of the purity. Mahabharat. There are two dynasties in the Hastinapur.
वर पास्ट में आएगा पूरा का पूरा है.
There were two dynasties.
बोल आगे बोल.
Hastinapur.
हाँ.
First Kauravas and second Pandavas.
आराम से बोल, घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी.
The eldest of the Pandav, Yudhishthir, and the eldest of the Pandav,
Kauravs.
Kaurav, Duryodhan.
Was Duryodhan. हाँ, बोल आगे बोल. फिर
both of them get education from Dronacharya. Got. Yes, sir, got.
हाँ.
Dronacharya said
asked. द्रोणाचार्य asked.
दिया कहेंगे.
हाँ?
सर उन्होंने दोनों को कहा ना.
हाँ, तो द्रोणाचार्य asked. पहले एक जने को बताओ, आप दोनों जनों को एक साथ लोगे तो कैसे हो जाएगा.
द्रोणाचार्य asked Yudhishthir.
हाँ, to bring.
समझ नहीं आया.
अच्छा, तू बोल तेरे हिसाब से.
Yudhishthir found.
कौन आ रहा है उसका.
Yudhishthir found a good person in the society.
यही तो मैं तेरे से कह रहा था, इसको ठीक कर ले. वो गलत बोल दिया ना. द्रोणाचार्य asked Yudhishthir to bring a bad man from the society of Hastinapur. आ गया समझ में?
Okay, sir.
आगे बोल, घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी.
And Dronacharya asked to Duryodhan
फिर बनाओ to bring
a bad
good man,
person in
good person,
society.
good person. Bad person तो उसने युधिष्ठिर को बोला था ना लाने के लिए.
Yes, sir.
घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी. हाँ,
Bad person.
फिर
They came back. They returned empty-handed.
हाँ ठीक है, केम बैक भी ठीक था, उसमें क्या दिक्कत हो गई? कोई बात नहीं, आगे बोल.
Yudhishthir found Yudhishthir said that no person in the society, no bad person in the society.
पूरा बनाओ. That there was no bad person in the society. कोई बात नहीं, आगे बोलो. या बनाओ कि दुर्योधन युधिष्ठिर said that he could not found. ऐसे बनाओ ना सेंटेंस. He could not found a bad person in the society. Could not find. Sorry. फोकस करो, घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी. हाँ,
Yudhishthir could not find
हाँ,
bad person in the society.
शाबाश. घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी. हाँ,
And Duryodhan could not find
हाँ, ऐसे. शाबाश, घबराओ मत.
the society.
हाँ,
So the pure mind Yudhishthir and impure mind Duryodhan.
क्या?
सर मैं कंफ्यूजन हो रही हूँ.
कोई बात नहीं है. Because Yudhishthir was pure mind, so he could not find any bad person, and Duryodhan was a bad person, so he could not find a good person in the society. घबराती क्यों है तो इतना? हैं? चल कोई बात नहीं है, कोई बात नहीं, बहुत अच्छा कर रही है. बाकी तो आ ही रही है ना, चिंता मत कर, तेरे को सिखा के ही छोड़ूंगा. सीख तो लिया तूने, बस थोड़ा सा है, वो हो जाएगा. मुझे कोई चिंता वाली बात नहीं है ना बेटा. घबराया मत कर बिल्कुल भी. एक तो तू डरा मत कर बिल्कुल भी, बस फोकस्ड रहा कर अपने आप को, है ना? ठीक है बेटा, कोई चिंता मत कर तू. चलो आ जाओ मधु.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Madhu Kumari Meena. Today, my topic is purity. Purity is a purity is a very important in our life because this can't perfect human being, and purity is a quality of human being.
शाबाश.
Purity gain our personality, and purity attract others, and there are many types of purity. Purity of mind, wholesome peace, and purity of society in harmonious humanity,
शाबाश.
and
शाबाश.
purity of heart, unselfish love, and purity of environment, enhancing peace, and I am telling about an interesting episode of Mahabharat to intellect the nature of purity. The Kauravas and Pandavas were Drona's disciple, and education, and Dronacharya gives a task.
Gave. पास में चलेगा
at
बेटा,
us, the eldest of Pandavas, Yudhishthir, asked to be bring a bad
was
man.
asked.
Was asked to bring a bad man from society, and the eldest of Kauravas, Duryodhan, was asked to fetch a good man, the same society of Hastinapur, and after a long time, they were returned. They returned empty-handed because the pure-minded uh, Yudhishthir found everyone to be pious and pure
शाबाश बेटा,
and good, or the impure mind of Duryodhan found everyone to be impure and evil, bad, and purity of purity makes our visions, words, and our deeds. Impurity makes our uh, deeds, words impure, and so as our mind, as is the mind, uh, as is the mind, so is the vision. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड। ये वाला सब चिंता मत कर, प्रैक्टिस की चीज है बेटा, 100% प्रैक्टिस की चीज है। बिना प्रैक्टिस के दुनिया की कोई ताकत नहीं अंग्रेजी बोल सकती है, कोई ताकत क्या, कोई लैंग्वेज नहीं बोल सकते। रटने की चीज नहीं है बेटा, प्रैक्टिस है, 100% प्रैक्टिस है। बस पॉजिटिव होके फोकस्ड होके प्रैक्टिस करते रहो, कहीं कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। माइंड में सिस्टम डेवलप हो गया, उसको और आपको पॉलिश करना पड़ेगा अभी। यस, कम ऑन वैष्णवी, आ जा बेटा।
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Vaishnavi. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from B18, and here we have a new topic whose name is purity. You know very well that purity is very important for all individuals, and if we want to success in our life, we should be our mind should be the positive, and and uh, and the, if our mind is pure, then we if our mind is pure, then our body is also pure, and the
फोकस कर बेटा, फोकस कर बेटा। सुना था या नहीं सुना था? एक दो बार
सर एक बार ही सुना था ये।
इतने इतने सारे लोगों ने बोला है, अब तो सुना होगा।
यस सर।
फिर फोकस नहीं है बेटा, बोलो बोलो, कोशिश करो।
द
क्या हो गया आज तेरे को? तबीयत ठीक है तेरी?
सर तबीयत ठीक नहीं है आज, ऐसे ही हो रहा है मेरा।
कैमरा चालू कर अपना। क्या हो गया बेटा?
सर तबीयत ठीक नहीं है मेरी।
चल कोई बात नहीं। पेपर हो गए तेरे?
नहीं सर, अभी चल रहा है।
चलिए, ओके ओके, कोई बात नहीं बेटा, रहने दे, आज कल बुलवाएंगे तेरे। चलिए, थैंक यू।